some more breaking news there. This time, this is from the Airlines Pilots Association that has now slammed the DGCA for granting Indigo safety exemptions. Now, what is the background to this story? Let me just quickly recap that for you. Now, what happened was the country, the nation, the aviation ministry has been telling Indigo that you have to give pilots rest. Between flights, it has to be at least 48 hours, not 36, as is currently the case. Now, there were several exemptions, extensions, in fact, given to Indigo for quite a while. The next exemption or sort of extension ended now in December, but Indigo said we are still not ready. And depending, after seeing the flight cancellation and the chaos that went up all day today, they went ahead. The government was forced, and many are now saying arm twisted, into taking a call and giving that exemption all over again. Indigo has again been given the extension to ensure that their pilots do not get that 48 hours of rest, which is, by the way, the global standard. So what is the Pilot Association saying now? They are saying they strongly criticize the DGCA for granting what it calls a selective and unsafe dispensation to Indigo under the revised flight duty time limitations. In a letter that was dated 5th of December, we broke that story right here on India Today, that the ALPA warned that the exemption dilute the fatigue protection norms and jeopardize the passenger safety. So pilots not happy with it, Indigo facing its worst crisis ever, and here a ministry which has now been arm twisted into giving it another extension. But talking about who it impacts the most, well, it's the passenger. It's people like you and me who are stranded and who don't know what to do next. I'm joined by one of them, Anati Bajpai. He's a young entrepreneur, I'm told, stuck in Kolkata. Okay, all right, we'll try and get that line with you in just a minute. But let me also cut across to my colleague Nagarjun, who joins us from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, you just heard both those breaking news, right? One, Indigo saying that all refunds will be done. I'm just surprised to see that Indigo, which is, or any other airline which communicates through SMSs and WhatsApp, why aren't they saying this to people straight away? And why are they still taking bookings online? Also, why have they not been able to tell people beforehand about the cancellation? All right, let me take that question to Aseem Bassi, my colleague joining us from Chandigarh. Aseem, help me understand a little bit how things are in Chandigarh at the moment. Indigo has issued a statement. The Pilots Association are not happy with the extension, but importantly at the airport, have those confirmations from Indigo reached the passengers?
Well, as Indigo flights are impacted all over the nation, the scenes in Chandigarh are similar, with passengers facing all harassment. I'm close to the Chandigarh airport's Indigo ticketing counter right in the terminal, and you can see that how the people are feeling helpless and harassed because a lot of flights that depart from here are cancelled since morning, since early morning to late night. There have been a lot of cancellations, bringing a lot of pain to the passengers. We'll talk to a few passengers who wanted to travel today. And sir, can I have your name, sir? क्या नाम है आपका? Sir, so we'll talk to a few passengers here. Sir, क्या नाम है आपका?
टिकम वैष्णव।
टिकम जी, आपने कहाँ जाना था? फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई, क्या हुआ आपका?
अहमदाबाद जाना था, फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई, ना कोई टेक्स्ट मैसेज, कुछ भी नहीं आया।
हाँ, तो इंडिगो का एक ही स्टेटमेंट आया है। उन्होंने बोला कि वो पैसेंजर्स को होटल देंगे, फूड देंगे और रिफंड देंगे। तो इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं? मिल रहा है लोगों को?
क्या पता, मुझे तो लगता नहीं मिल रहा है। रिफंड का भी कुछ भरोसा नहीं कभी आएगा। और रिफंड वो सब ठीक है, एटलीस्ट कुछ मैसेज आया है, कुछ पता ही नहीं है, बस हो रहा है। इट्स वेरी बैड। लेट्स सी क्या होता है। अभी तो नंबर ही नहीं आया, यहाँ कुछ मैनेजमेंट नहीं है। आप देखो,
आपकी कहाँ की फ्लाइट थी?
बैंगलोर की फ्लाइट थी।
फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई
जी।
कितने बजे थी आपकी फ्लाइट?
6:50 में थी फ्लाइट।
कोई मैसेज, ईमेल?
कोई मैसेज नहीं, कोई ईमेल, नथिंग, नॉट एट ऑल। कुछ नहीं।
इंडिगो बोला हम देंगे सब।
कहाँ कुछ कोई फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं। एटलीस्ट दे शुड हैव टेक्सटेड फर्स्ट कि फ़्लाइट कैंसिल है। काफ़ी दूर से लोग आ रहे हैं। आई ट्रैवल 60 किलोमीटर्स टू रीच हियर। मेरी फ़्लाइट है, मेरी बैंगलोर में पहुंचना इतना अति आवश्यक है कि मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ। माई मदर इज़ इल, माई मदर इज़ हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड। आई हैव टू रीच देयर एनी हाउ। I don't know how they will arrange, but I have to go right now at this moment.
We'll talk to more people over here. Your flight is also cancelled?
Yeah, it is actually cancelled and we have not even got any message about it. We came from 8 hours from Kasol to here for our flight.
Now, Indigo has issued a statement that it'll give food, it will give compensation, it will give refunds also.
Not told anything about that.
Are you getting anything on ground?
No, they've not told.
So you said you heard that this is how people are reacting over here. That whatever advisories or whatever statements are being issued, they are on paper. They yet to come on ground, and people say no intimation before the cancellation of flights, and nothing they are getting because of the cancellation. They are just getting harassment, and they are feeling very, very helpless.